Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone 15 Pro Max refusing to charge. Don't disappear, battery ninjas. In this video we will explore a quick and easy fixes to get your juicy flowing again. So guys, first of all you have to do is simply check your dirty pot. Dust and lint can build up a block the charging pot. Grab a flashlight and a toothpick, avoid sharp objects. Gently remove any debris. Don't blow compressed air directly, as it might force dirt deeper. After cleaning the pot, then you have to do is check your faulty cable. The culprit might be the cable itself. Try a different official Apple cable or a MFI certified one. Look for signs of wear or damage or the connector. If frayed or cracked, replace it. Then you have to do is check your power adapter. Sometimes the wall adapter can be the culprit. Swap it out from another one. If you're using a power strip, try plugging directly into the wall outlet and see if this worked or not. After trying this all solution and still facing the issue, then you have to do is restart your iPhone 15. A software glitches can cause charging issues. Try restarting your iPhone by going to your settings, then tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone, and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Insecure your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS installed on your iPhone. You have to go to your settings and go to software update and check if there's any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after trying these all steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to simply open your transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.